It took me 30 minutes from the airport cycle to Novotel. Long walk, difficult way. It's inside a residential area. This video going to show you the stay experience. Where is the place to check in? Over there. The room facility and then also the club lounge. So going to the check-in counter first. It's amazing that the hotel has got a family mart at the lobby, and that's where's the lobby over there. The lobby is very bright and the coffee smells very nice. After verified with the staff, they asked me to check in at the 15th floor. So yeah, let's go. So let's go to the 15th floor, should be the club lounge, and check in. I'm at the club lounge now. It's on the top of the hotel and you get to overlook the entire city. So that's where I came from, the very weird way. Up here, let's take a look of the lounge area. So this is Okinawa, and so the lounge will be have the refreshment, the drinks. It's a very cool thing called hibiscus flower water. I'm gonna try that later. And I think it's afternoon tea now. They are serving the small bite. Oh, cannoli looks good. And this Okinawa donut, I tried that. It's very nice. Okinawa biscuit. Then the very cute scone and the small little bite. You can get the coffee. Remember to use a glove. Tea over here, and the drinks will be served later. I can see they have some amowari, whiskey, and sikuasha alcohol, something like that. Maybe I'll show you later. Over there is something like a shrine, I think. It looks quite beautiful on a hillside. And let's see that the other part of the Okinawa, it looks very cool. It's a residential area right over there. You can see that some of that is on the hillside. And then let's walk around to the seaside. Oh, that will be the lounge area before the food. Oh, so I think here will be the one to serve the breakfast. So it's a quite cool thing to so that's a monorail. It's cool to stay in this hotel that is just like in the residential area. You can really see how the people live in Naha City. Let me show you that the benefits for the platinum guests. The check-in is very simple. So you get as a platinum guest from Accor, you get discount on F&B between food and beverages. Then you got free Wi-Fi, high-speed Wi-Fi, and then welcome drink, and also the let me see, early check-in or late check-out until 5 p.m. But I'm going to change to another hotel, so I'm going to check out tomorrow at 12. I get the complimentary breakfast. If I have anyone registered get to stay with me, they also get free breakfast as well. I also get to go enter the lounge, and I booked for the standard twin bedroom, and they upgraded me to a high floor, so no category. Next category, you may also use the infinity pool and the gym, and then kids club as well. Interesting. So for the premium floor guests, I can go to the second floor for breakfast, 7 a.m. to 10. And then the lounge, tea time is on 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Snack will be from 2 p.m., which means I showed you on earlier. And the cocktail will be 5 to 8 p.m. That's a long hour. And also have evening tea. That's very interesting. That's the evening tea. So let's see anything I can show you. There are a few restaurants. The swimming pool will be closed at 9 p.m. That's good. Then the pool side will open until 11. The gym is 24 hours. Very good. I need to pump up a little bit. There's no vending machine in the hotel, but they also have the coin laundry and ice machine. The Family Mart will close at 12 midnight and open 7 in the morning. Welcome to the standard room. So in the premium floor, on the higher floor. Let me show you the view first, then I will show you the room. The view is where I cycle from. My bike was there. That's a swimming pool. I saw someone just like swam right over there. Maybe the water is heated water. I will try to find out later. The very famous castle is on the left side, and this is my room. Very small room. There's a sofa here. There's a small little table, a heater, bedside power plug, USB port, the light. I think this something local, I guess. Brown Sugar Bakery. Then I still don't understand why most of the hotel they love to combine 2 single bed as one in Japan. So right at the bedside, a little bit narrow here, there's another control, a full control, 1 USB port and 1 power plug. 3 pillows, and the pillow like a L shape, very cute. And I love this thing in a Japanese hotel. There's a humidifier. It will not make the room too dry. And it's funny, I had turned on the fan, the aircon, but it's still very warm here. Okay, now I hear some noise. And the fan is here. The massage is there's a dry massage and oil massage. The price is a little bit different. It's not too bad. If you are appointed to specific therapies, you have to add on 2,000 yen. Okay, here's the coffee machines. And then what is this? Give me a minute. It's a empty box. I'm not sure why it's here. And used tea bag put here. And then there's a UCC coffee capsules like this. Then the creamer and sugar is here. So after you peel the coffee thing, then you leave it here. That's cute. And the fridge, I think it's 2 bottles of drinking water. And then only 1 power plug, so you have to make up your mind. Either you use the coffee machine or either you use that one. So let me show you the bathroom. Actually quite spacious. I quite like it. Still have a bathtub and hand and facial foam. And all this are sanitary bag. There's a sea salt. Wow, that's make me so make the stay so premium. Headband. Wow. And what is this? Cotton pad. Wow, I like it. Shaver. Then the shower towel, toothbrush, and the comb. Toothbrush is here, and all this. And bathtub looks cute though. I quite like it. Okay, over here, I just take out the hair dryer. So I show you that this is an Ionity hair dryer. Small but yet powerful. The safe is huge. Then the 2 bathrobe. And weighing scale, the brush, shoe cleaner. That's it. So the next one I might show you the gym, the swimming pool, the breakfast, the evening cocktail. I have 2 hours to evening cocktail. I think I should rush to the Surrey Castle, then I can come back for the evening cocktail. So I'll see you in a bit. this is what you can get for the alcohol. This is something like red tea, the plum thing. This is kabuchi. I think it should be something like citrusy thing. And this should be a wine, whiskey, amawari. You can have the draft beer right over here, Orion beer, which is the Okinawa beer. Then ginger ale, carbohydrate drink. The afternoon tea thing is still the same. They'll leave it over here, but oh yes, sparkling wine and Sauvignon Blanc, and then the Cabernet Merlot, and then salad here looks very good. Two different types of salad, one with the ham and one pure vegetable, cheese, olive, and then some bread, some ham, smoked salmon, and fries. So that is where you can enjoy the evening cocktail over here.
Too hardcore celebration and drank too much last night. A little bit hangover, but I have a very good sleep. The soundproof is very good. The bed is very comfortable. The shower is very good. Hair dryer is very good. Water pressure is good. Shampoo, hair conditioner, all these are very good. So let's go to have breakfast.
The breakfast is amazing. I love everything. They have a lot of the Okinawa food, and I was late, so everything a little bit messy now, but I can show you a little bit a quick walk. They do have a very nice tofu and then a lot of Okinawa food like the Okinawa rice, the seaweed thing, the Okinawa radish, Okinawa tofu. Then this tofu is something I like, something crunchy. Then they have this rice with spicy beef. Oh, so it's a taco station, so you can do your own taco rice. And I like all this pickle. The pickles are very tasty. Then they have egg stations. The egg station, the chef is like keep cooking the egg non-stop there. Then one more thing I like is they have the Okinawa pig ear salad. The pig ear salad looks like this. It's quite interesting, crunchy. Soba, a very tasty pineapple. Then the dessert, and they have a lot of dressing for the salad. Like all these are the dressing, and then the oil, the condiment for the cereal, 3 types of cereal, and a lot of the salad option. I try not to disturb them. They seems like quite not happy for me taking video, but I like the breakfast very much. There is a kids room right over here. It's very cute. Let me see whether the gym has no one. Then I can show you the gym. It's called Imbalance. Oh, okay. It's a very small gym with lots of cardio equipment and some free weights. It's lovely that to check the blood pressure over here, you just press the button like that. There's an ice machine and also the coin dryer over here. So 100 yen for 30 minutes and also 300 yen for washing, and you don't need the detergent. It's not too bad. It's quite an affordable price. Here is a swimming pool, the infinity swimming pool that overlook at the city area, and the tower they leave it like this. I am not sure the pool water is actually heated or not. It's cold, and a lot of people can swim very well. I don't think I'm going to swim, and I'm going to check out now. So it's quite nice that my room is around the area, and then full of sunlight, and you can actually open the window a little bit for fresh air. Yep. So I'm going to check out now. I do strongly recommend to stay in this hotel. I think it's a very comfortable hotel. They give a very good breakfast. The bed is very comfortable. and it's going to rain heavily now. I have to leave to another hotel. So in case you're in Okinawa, when the Sori Castle already completed restoring, then I would say that this is a hotel you must stay. And it's near to the temple right over there also. It's a nice temple. Okay, with that I hope you like the video. Bye bye.